all are able to see my screen? Hello? Are you able to see my PPT? Hello? Are you able to viewing or not? Hello?
Sir, there is a noise coming from your speakers. Sir.
What?
There's noise coming, sir.
Yes, it's because the mobile are on low pitch.
Yeah. The PPT is sharing, sir.
2 minutes, sir. 1 minute you can bear. Okay, I will stop and I will go to the board. See, already equivalency relation I said. Equivalency relation means what? Is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Similarly, partial order or partial order relation means what? Reflexive, anti-symmetric. This is new and transitive. That is reflexive, symmetric, transitive. This is reflexive, anti-symmetric, transitive. So one example here, if R is a relation greater than or equal to on a set of integers, then R is a partial order relation. A greater than A, every integer A is reflexive. A greater than B, B. Anti-symmetric means what? This generalization should be satisfied. A should be the anti-symmetric. This stands to. This one thing I forgot actually. Okay, this you can keep in mind. Anyway, this I will send you textbook also. I will send textbook not there, I think so. One thing only I missed it actually. Then next I will go. Yesterday we started my matrices representation of the relation. Okay. Okay, are you understanding or not here? This time stop sharing it. Okay. See, yesterday already R union, that is RR, matrices relation we discussed. MR, union, yes, R, MR, R, yes. Using the Boolean algebra we discussed. In R means what? 0 R, 0 R, 0 only 0, remaining R's are 1. And AND means what? 1 and 1 only, 1 remaining all are zeros. Are you, am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you're audible.
Very good. Yesterday these two relations proved. Correct or not? Any problem? Proved or not? Yesterday. Do we complete? I think so. Last class. Yesterday since that is the last class. Okay or not? There I can only one Boolean algebra notation. So for corresponding elements, we relate it like this. Now composition relation. Already R star S we studied composition. Two relations are means what? R star A to B, then B to C, this is A to C I relate. Remember that composition. Like this composition relation in okay. Before in the composition is nothing but as a matrix multiplication. But multiplication means what? If you multiply two elements, you can take this. 1 into 1 means this you can take. Plus means this you can take. Correct? Huh? I will tell you, just you can see. Two relations is given actually, you see. Two relations are given, this after definition, okay. You see, already you know R star S, R composition S. Star R like this, what are going to get denoted. So, composition, two relations, you are familiar how to do the composition, the two relations composition. Similarly, if you are showing in matrix representation, in matrix representation, how we will do the composition of two matrix in shape of two matrix, that relations composition. So representation of a matrix, composition relations. Okay. Now see, is given already two matrices in our hand. After defining the relation, everything is okay, done. After completing every work, he is given in our hand matrices. Otherwise, we can find it. It's not a big deal. If it is related, means already I told you. First matrix you can take in row 1, 2, 3. In column side you can take vertically, you can take horizontally, you can take second relation. A cross B you can find out. If two elements relations is there, means you can write 1. If it is not there, you can write 0. So these all are you are familiar. Now he is giving you see two matrices. M is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. MS is equal to MRS or they may write as composition relation in matrix notation. In suffix, if you write R dot S or MR is composed to MS. This how you will do nothing but a matrix multiplication. How you will do actually this 3 by 3, this 3 by 3. First row, first column. Then tell me 0 into 0. This 0 and 0 are 1 and 0. 1 and 0 plus means what are 0 and 1. Now tell me relation what you will get. First any one thing you can escape, but multiplication we can directly write. At least for just I will ask, tell me 0 and 0. This first row, first column. First as this is infinite, go fully is confused. Actually if you write like this means what 0 and 0. Then plus instead of plus I am using R. Then 1, 0. Then 0 and 1. This if you simplify this part 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros means what we get? 0. Correct answer. Instead of writing this, at least this operation you can write result. This you can use. This operation is a can use. What I am telling understand is it will lead lot of confusion where you want to use and where you want to use R. Suppose multiplication is what only can use or product means you can use R. Correct? So getting or not?
Yes, sir.
So simply can do. What I am telling, this I will write as a result. 0 and 0 is what? Tell me. Am I confusing lot? Are you able to understand or not?
Sir, yes, sir, understood.
Because what I am telling, if you write this big expression, is it leads confusing. Instead of tell this what I am telling, 0 into 0 and sorry. I can keep in mind into, but symbolically you can write and actually. And logically will get actually. And means what will you get? Tell me. 0 and 0, what will you get?
0.
0. This you can use if you want. 1 and 0.
0.
Then 0 and 1.
0.
So instead of writing this big line, what I am telling, just you can express. Because so many operations, you will get confused. But blindly, first operation at least you can simplify. 0 and 0. What you will get? 0. Then plus, instead of plus, I will use this. Then 1 into 0 is what? 1 not into, sorry. Again I am making. Feeling inside into, but how can you write 1 and 0? So what will you get? Result. What will you get? See, this matrix multiplication, 0 into 0 means what? 0 and 0, 0. Instead of plus, I will use R. 1. This is what join, that is neat actually. 1 and 0. 1 and 0 is what?
0.
0. Instead of plus, I will feel in plus in my heart, but I write R. Then 0 and 1, 0.
0.
1 now, okay, yeah. Just instead of doing that big expression, instead of writing 2, 2, 2, like 2, 2, 2, where it's totally 6 numbers, I am writing simple word. Are you getting or not? Okay?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, first row, first column over. Then first row, second column, tell me. 0 and 0, that is 0 into 1, you can, now we can announce, but by writing in hand, we can remember. 0, that is what? 0 and 0 is what? Same story. What will you get? 0 or 1 and 1, 1, then 0 and 1, 0. First row, first column. This position is what? First row, first column. This position is what? First row, second column. This position is what? First row, third column. At what position you want? Same pattern you will use matrix multiplication. This is what? First row, third column. That fellow only stands. Suppose if I want third row, third column is what? From first matrix, third row, second matrix, third matrix is that I can find out the matrix. By doing the matrix, what you will do? Suppose if you feel somewhere I will make mistakes, means what? That position you can find out. Suppose 3 by 3 means what? From first matrix third row, from second matrix third column, if you multiply that particular position you can able to find out. Everything we know, we only express, but we don't go see deep. If we see deep, we enjoy with maths. Realize actually, everything you can logic develop yourself and you will enjoy. Similarly, first row, third column, then 0 and 0. 1 and 1 are 1 and 1, then 0 and 0, 0. This story over. Then you can come second row, first column, 1 and 0, 0, or 1 and 0, 0, or 1 and 1, 1. Then second row, second column, 1 and 1, 1, or 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1, or 1. Check, maybe I may make mistakes. Just don't copy it down blindly. Then 1 and 0, 0, 1 or plus this is 1 and 1, 1, or 1 and 1, 1. Then you can see third row, first column, 1 and 0, 0, then 0 and 0, 0, and 0 and 1, 0. second column. That's 3, 2. 1 and 1, 1. Or 0 and 1, 0. Then 0 and 1, 0. Then third row, third column. 1 and 0, 0. Then 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. Same story. Again, 2 to simplify. Instead of 2 to simplification, anyway, this is R, you know. Any 1 is there, is compulsory, it's 1 only. All are 0 only, 0. Am I correct? Check. Blindly I am telling. Suppose in this relation, anywhere 1 is there, means what output 1 only. Whatever will remain zeros are 1. All are zeros means 0. But am I correct or not? What I am telling is right or wrong? Tell me, check and tell me. Instead of doing all operations, what I am telling, if all elements 0 means what in this, you can write 0. Any 1 is placed means what 1 you can write. Check. What I am telling is right or wrong. Just you can check one operator and see. Obviously, I hope it's true. Are you there or not? Hello? Are you there or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See, what I said is right or wrong. What I am telling, if all are zeros means you can write 0. But any one present means what? Because it's R relational only. 1 or 0, 0 or 1 also, 1 only. So all are zeros only, output you can write 0. Otherwise, any one present means what you say? 1 you
1.
can write. So, 1 you can write. So output is what? Tell me now.
Sir, 0, 1, 1,
Very good.
1, 1, 1,
Very good.
0, 1, 0.
Correct or not? Check actually. Don't tell blindly whether you right. The answer is right. If you want, you can simplify. 0 or 0, 0. Again 0 or 0, 0 like this. If these two means what? One element you will get actually. Then with this output. 0 r is 1, then 1 0 like this. You can mindly can simplify inside your mind. You have no need to again steps and going on actually. Suppose this MCQ means what you cannot spend more time. With 4 marks question means we can enlarge nicely, one step by one, 10 steps you can write. So, output is what? Tell me. What is output? Tell me. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Check. Right or wrong? Don't copy down blindly. See what I'm really correct or wrong. Right or wrong. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Right. Absolutely correct. question I forgotten. Sorry. Suppose R is a relation on a set A to set B represents MR, it's matrix representation. In set relation is what? If you represent it in the matrix equation R, then R inverse of R, how you will find out? Inverse of R. Inverse of R nothing but is what if you take transpose is enough. Because A to inverse actually one relation if you say R is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, some simple relation I am giving. R inverse how we will do reversely will write. Am I correct or not? 2, 1, 4, 3. Am I correct or not? Inverse R like this only we done or not? How you done? Any idea is there? Forgotten? Similarly, in matrix representation, how you will find R inverse? Inverse of relation. Inverse relation. Suppose if I know R is a one relation, I want to find out inverse relation is how you will find out. Then this is how I will write means what? If MR is the one relation, if they ask actually R inverse in matrix representation, this is nothing but transpose of MR. Enough, that's it. Reversely, we will do the relation. Obviously, what rows you can write as a columns you can write. So, normally if you write 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 means what? Suppose one relation just I am framing 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. Means what? 1, 1 is there, 1, 1, 5 is there. Then 2, 5 is there, 3, 3 is there, 3, 4 is there, 3, 5. Suppose if you are taking transpose means what you will get actually? 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. This is nothing but meaning is what? 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Now we can see 3, 1. 1, 3 means 3, 1. Next 3, 3. Oh, wait. Yes, 3, 3. Next 4, 1. 1, 4 means. Understanding that? So if they ask inverse relation is obviously what will get rows become a, because mainly I am taking from the first set I am taking arranging in rows, then finding matrix representation. If they ask inverse means what reversely I want it, 3, 1 I want it. So if I am able to bring this column rows means what my job is over. Am I correct or not? Tell me. So
Yes, sir.
inverse of R nothing but is what transpose. If you see means you understand why he is writing transpose always you can think. What is the reason he is writing? Okay, normal basic definition you can go. So 1, 2 is there in R means what? R inverse 2, 1. So this second element becomes first element. First element means what I want to write in rows position. So that is the way of thinking. Once if you go and see deeply means what nothing. Everything you have to analyze each and everything. Why we should write? Also we can ask ourselves. Initially if you don't understand, just ask it. Sometimes you can relax. Don't get tension as always you don't get actually. By experience only you get. You don't get also, but at least think, start thinking. Why he is writing, why we are writing transpose anyway. I can find out any reason like this, you can think me second. Only you don't get actually, sometimes maybe tedious. That time if you don't get also feel happy, that is important. If you start researching means what, research means what, something I want to do means what, think. If you don't get means leave it. Think, leave, think, leave. I have nothing if I get means it will become another way it will go subject. So think, relax. That is the way of learning. Sometime it will break. Automatically you can break nicely. Whatever it will be, it's a way of studying. or is a relation or is inverse. MR, for example, is giving one relation A is equal to 2465. B is equal to 357, and R is defined. R also is defined. 2, 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 4, 7, 6, 3. Continuation actually, there is no place I am writing down, inside bracket only. 6, 7, 8, 7. So, what is mathematics you will get actually? How many rows are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what 3. So 4 by 3 you will get. Matrix you will get 4 by 3. But if you find transpose means what? You get 3 by 4. So first you can frame actually. Relation you can frame. First R you can write MR. MR, how can you write? Tell me MR. Wait, sorry, capital R. Here what I want to write? 2 with pencil you can write. 6, 5. Then here is what? 3, 5, 7. Now tell me 2, 3 is there in relation? 2, 3 is there.
Yes, sir.
Then you will get 1 or 0. But
One.
while writing matrix multiplication again, you remember 1 or 0 also. That is also important. You have to write 1 and 0 only representation, no need. If relation is there 1, if it is not there, means 0. Like our binary operations 1 and 0. Yes or no. Switch on or off. Now this is what? 2, 3, what you will get? Matrix can fill.
1.
1. Then 2, 5 is there.
1. Yeah.
2, 7 is there.
No. So 0.
0. No means 0. Then with the 4 you can start. 4, 1 is there.
0.
0. 5.
1. 1.
5, 1 is there.
Uh,
4, 5.
4, 5 is there. So
Correct
1.
only. What is it correct only? 4, 5
Yeah.
correct. Then
4,
4,
7,
7
1
is there.
is there. So 1.
Very good. Then 6, 3 is there.
Yes, sir. So 1.
Why 8, 7 I written? Wait. 2, 4. 8, sorry. Where I am standing? 6, 3 is there. 6, 5 is there. 6, 5 is there.
6, 5 is not there, sir. No.
What?
6, 5 is not there. So it will be 0.
0. 6, 7 is there.
Yes, sir. So
1.
1.
Then with the 8, actually this is sorry, not 5, 8. Written wrongly. Now 8, 3 is there.
0, 0, 1.
1. See, what is order 3 by 4? R inverse means what? Immediately can write reverse. So, MR inverse is what? Nothing but this transpose. So, what will get? 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, if you want, you can check this in. This is what you will get actually is 2, 4, 6, 8. This fellow what you will get? 3, 5, 7. Now relation you can see 3, 2. This relation matrix you can write here. That is nothing but R inverse. 3, 2 is there. Then 3, 6 is there. Then 5, 2 is there. 5, 4 is there. then 7 4 is there, 7 6 is there, 7 8 is there. 7 4 is there, 7 6 is there, 7 8 is there, R inverse. This is R inverse. From R you can see 2 3 is there, means what? 3 2 will be there. Okay, happy. Then 2 5 means what? 5 2. First element over. Second element happy. 4 5 means what? 5 4. Happy. Then 4 7 means what? 7 4. Very good. Happy. I can just don't attach it. Just I'm telling for understanding. 6 7 means 7 6 I want. Happy. 8 7. Something I left. 7 8. Which I left? Not studied. 3 6 means 6 3. 6 3 I left, I think so. 6 3 3 6. So absolutely in R inverse, everything available from R if I see. If AB belongs to R means what? BA belongs to R inverse. Okay, sir. Just note down. In textbook, lot of examples are there, just you can see. See, two relations here available in my hand. Sometimes they will give relation in matrix form directly. Sometimes they define it. It's not a big deal. You can able to find out. R and S and P relation are a set here represented by the matrices. Directly is giving matrix. Sometimes they will give relation form. Okay, both I will do. Otherwise, if R is a relation on A is equal to 1, 2, 3, such that R is a relation on A 1, 2, 3, sorry, this is set such that A comma B belongs to R if and only if A plus B is equal to even. Now frame the relation. Now what will it tell me? You can take such elements A comma B means what? This is also from set A only. Two elements is because difference is telling A comma B. A is one different element, B is one different element. If you take same also to take the relation should be satisfied. A plus B is equal to A. Frame the relation now. Tell me. What is the relation? Tell me. Not matrix, pair order relation, set of pair of order set. You can say. Tell me. What is R? Take any two elements such that should be sum should be even. So what will you get?
Sir, 1 1
Very good. With 1 you can start. Don't confuse actually. Okay.
1 1
1. Then
1 3
1 2 it won't come. 1 3. Then
2 2
what?
2 2
2 2. Next.
3 1
Very good. Next.
3 3 3 3
3 3. Anything is there? Balance. When we left anything, everything is satisfies. 1 1 2 2 is there. 3 3 is there. 1 2 not comes. 1 3 then 2 3 it won't come. 2 2 comes. 3 3 will come. 3 1. Okay, done. Now we can frame matrix actually. Matrix relation. This is 1 2 3. 1 2 3. Okay. Then 1 1 is there or not? 1. 1 2 is there, not there, 0. 1 3 is there, 1. Then 2 1 is not there, 0. 2 2 is there, 1. 2 3 is not there, 0. 3 1 is there, 1. Sorry. 3 2 not there, 0. Then 3 3 is there, 1. Cut. With pencil you can write. Don't write always actually. It's not required for understanding. I told this. With pencil lightly you can write. Don't do darkly. The whole matrix shape will collapse. Now question I will read is in. If R is a relation A is equal to 1 to 3 such that if and only if A plus B is equal to even, find the relation matrix MR. He is asking from this. After that MR is asking. Then R bar. R bar means what? R complement in the matrix is actually R inverse, then R square. Then the complement of R, how you will do that? R inverse you are able to find out if you know MR means what. R inverse means you may take transpose. Then R square is what? MR star MR. R star R. Multiplication you will get. Then R complement how you will find out? Tell me.
Sir, all zeros become 1 1 become.
Very good. Nice idea. Good. So complement of this means what? Other than this relation you can find means job is over. Another matrix is very easy. Without seeing this kind nicely I can tell. So MR complement means what you are telling? All zeros you can put 1, once you can replace as a 0. Am I correct or not?
Yes, sir.
If they ask
Yes,
relation as in matrix shape is what you will do. Roughly you can do this. After that relations you can find out and find first you can R set you can write. After that you can write okay everything I know like this. It's very easiest way. So MR complement is tell me now. Nice. Very good. What I will get? 1 we can replace 0. 1 0 1 0 1 then 0 1 0. So means what relation is there? 1 2 is there, is the odd number. Then 2 1 is there, 2 3 is there. Then 3 2 is there. Enough. Getting or not? Then R inverse. What is R inverse? In matrix I want to find out. MR inverse. MR inverse nothing but what? MR transpose or transpose of given matrix. What is transpose? Tell me. First row you can write as a first column. Second row you can write as a second column. Third row you can write as a third column. Correctly I am writing. First row, first column. Second row, second column. Third row. Obviously I got same thing actually. In this case, same thing will get always, I don't get actually. R inverse also over. Then what I want to do? R square, MR dot MR. Now I can multiply. Already I told you like a similarly matrix multiplication only. On the end plus R means plus actually. Plus means R you can write. So what will you tell me now? 1 and 1 are 0 and 0, 1 and 1. So what will you tell me? First row is what? 1 and 1, 1, 0 R, 0 and 0, 0 R, 1. Correct? Am I correct, sir? Check. What I am doing is right or wrong? Then first row, second column. 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0. Totally 0 actually. If you want write blind as you can write. But first step if you want you can show that is your wish. If you are able to do exactly can write 0 enough. So what I am telling? 1 and 0, 0 R, 0 and 0 R, 0. Then 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 0, 1. So 1 R, 0, 1. Hold second row, first column, second row, second column, second row, third column. Then 0 and 0, 0 R, second row, first column, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0. Then second row, second column, 0, 1, 0. Then second row, third column, 0, 0, 0. Then third row, first column, 1 and 1, R, 0, R, 1. Then 0, 0, 0. Then third column, third column, 1 and 1, 1, R, 0 and 0, R, 1 and 1. So 1 and 1 is 1, R, 0 and 0, 0. Then R, 1 and 1 is 1. Then the output is, see what I said, R 0 is only 0, any 1 present also 1. So what I will get, tell me? a nice matrix. See how nicely getting. Inverse also same thing. Square also same thing. Excellent. Now one problem I do. I'll take 5 minutes break. You can do. See, second problem I said, R and S the relation on set A represented by matrices. Matrix is still given. So, this you have to do, sir. What he is asking. See, I told actually R dot S means what R, like this is not a correct actually, but it's different meaning. That to be done, the sound will do this. This if you want, I will do. Sorry. You asking me this also. This is composition. If they ask star like circle means what, there is nothing but in matrices only you have to find. Already in sets we done actually. A this plus means what, composition something, that's what you can write formula M R union this minus M R intersection this. I mean, not done again, I will tell you next class, the same thing. Some places they should show, but this is the formula. Again, I will ask somebody and I will come back. I am not sure about this. But actually, they can say some textbooks. I want to ask any staff and I will come back. Up to time we can, this you can do. Now I can do all elements you can do. 5 minutes I will take break and I will come. Actually, today I am not feeling well actually. How much time I will take, I don't know. Just take 5 minutes, I'll come back. Complete all R union S means what? R. This is the end problem. even the multiplication, SI to RSM, then this already defined by this, get no problem. Sir, completed. R union S is what? Complete anyone? Everyone should complete actually, not anyone.
Yes, sir.
Only one boy will always telling. Remaining people also do try, please. Really, if you do only sit and do, you will understand where you are making mistake. Complete all and I will ask answers first. Completed.
Yes, sir, completed.
Throughout class, 54 students, one student left means, including my devices, means only 52 members only there. But attendance everyone coming at the time. working. I'm not doing that directly. I'm writing answer, but you can do. R U N E S means what? M R or M S. Then 0 and 0 or 0, 1 or 1 like this. Or I'm doing directly. Tell me. What is the matrix? Tell me.
Sir, 0, 1, 0,
0, 1, 0.
1, 1, 1,
Ah.
1, 1, 1.
Then MR intersection is
0, 1, 0.
hey 0 and 0.
Sir, R intersection is no, sir. 0, 1,
Ah.
0. Sir, yes, sir.
Answer can tell me.
Yeah. Sir, 0,
Ah.
1, 0.
Very good. 0, 1, 0, 0,
0,
1,
1, 1,
1.
1, 0, 0.
Very good. Then what do you ask the next question?
Sir,
R
R
into
composition is.
R into S actually. MR is.
Sir, 0, 1, 1
Directly you are telling answer.
directly.
0, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
Hey, check and tell me. Totally. Okay. Then
0, 1, 0.
super. Then
S into R.
S into R.
Yeah. This is a fully one matrix. 1, 1, 1,
What?
1, 1, 1.
All are ones. Correct?
All ones.
Yes, sir.
Super.
Yes.
Everyone got. If you copy down, also try. Don't copy down blindly. Once if you copy down, again sit and peacefully do it. Doing cutting or not. Next, what I ask is
Sir, R
composition. But
composition.
this only doubt actually. I've lost time. It and the previous example is given this also yes, but he is giving me definition here. This definition is what is telling R union S minus R. Minus means what we get. Ordinary minus, I think so. This what we get.
Sir, 0, 0, 0. 1, 0, 0.
Huh?
1, 0, 0. And 0, 1, 1. 0, 1, 1. Sir, I had a doubt. So,
Yes.
in the subtraction part, when in
Yeah,
composition,
that time big time being copied on actually. That was actually. I
no,
got
sir, I had a doubt like
no,
like if it's
no, there is no minus terms actually. 0 and 1, what are we say? Difference, I think so. It's not a minus. Difference. Time we can note down minus. That also I will tell you. This also I will check actually composition. In previous time textbook, previous is what R star S is what circle plus I given. But is given. I will just next class I will tell. Timing this minus you can go. I will tell you. There is no minus. We are actually in Boolean algebra only star and plus only plus and multiplication only. Representation of a relation by graphs. See how they are represents means what graph means this is some I think rate this everything is textbook. Let R be a relation on a set A. To represent R graphically, each element of A represented by point. So if the relation is 1, 2, 3 means what point will be point. 1 is 1 point, 2 is 1 point, 3 is 1 point. Okay, yeah? Graphically a point. These points are called the nodes or vertices. Nodes are so 1 point, each point is a vertex or node. Vertices. These points are called nodes or whenever the elements A is related to A is related to B, an arc is drawn from the A to B. An arc is drawn from A to the B. These arcs are called arcs or edges. Suppose if 1 to related, 1 is here 1 point, here suppose 2. 1 is related means what you can draw is edges 2. Okay. So this is called nodes or vertices. Every in the set, every point, every element you can give it denoted by one. Vertices are nodes. Suppose if it is related to one element, other means what you can draw with arc. This is called arc or edge. Join with arcs actually. Edges. Next, you may get the element is related by same element. How you will do one? We will even draw one circle actually. This is sorry. This is called loop. Element self related means what? 1, 1, 2, 2 means what? Draw one loop. This is called loop. So for drawing the graphical representation I will use for all elements is what? Vertices. Suppose if it is related means what? I will draw an arc, then the arrow I will show from where to where related like this. Correct? Any problem? Then self-related means what? One loop I will draw a point, one circular loop. That is called a loop. Loop, vertices or edges. Correct? These are this they will do actually. Now we see. Now one graph I will tell you. Point which using 3 I will do. So this representation is called directed graphs. Or resulting graph is what is called directing graphs. Directed graph. we see one example. If A is equal to 2, 3, 4, 6. 2, 3, 4, 6. And R is defined A to R, A related to B. R is defined as what? A related to B. A divides B. A divides B means what? Like this you can write. That is called what? B by A is equal to remainder you will get 0. That's the way. Or B divided by A. A divides B or B divided by A. So B by A is equal to what? Remainder should be 0. Such that you can frame the relation first now. What will you tell me? With the 2 you can start. Frame the relation, sir. A divides B such a way, elements you can take A comma B is equal to what A divides by B, or B by A is equal to remainder should be 0. Exact divisible as divides it doesn't mean. We cut off clearly. There is no points. Or 1 you will get as a right fraction. Not 1. Some number, sorry, not 1. Numerical value, integer you will get. Remainder should be 0.
Sir, 2, 4, 2, 6, and 3, 6.
Relation you can tell me. In relation pair, set up order pair I want.
Yeah, 2, 4, 2, 6, and
2 comma 4, okay, nothing is there before the thing.
2, 2. 2, 2.
This fellow is very speaks what? So 2 by 2 is what? Remainder 0, it divides. Next.
Then 2, 4.
2 4, wait. 2, 4, then?
2, 6.
Very good.
Then 3, 3.
3 comma 3,
3, 6. 3, 6. Then 4, 4. 6, 6.
Then that's it, I think so. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Now, graphically, so many ways are there. As you like actually in textbook, one graph, even if you are able to do another shape also there, but relation should be satisfied. Always start with small elements. With 2 is there, 2, 4, 6 is there with it. 3 is not there. So 2 and 3 can write like this. Okay. 2 and 3. Then 2 is what? 2, 4, 6. 4. This is 2, 3. You can write 4. You can write 6. Okay. 2 to 2 is there a loop I will draw first. 2 to 4 is relation is there or not? Correct? 2 to 6 also relation is there. If you want you can go. Then 3 is there, 3 6 is there. Yeah? Then self loops are there. Check is correct or right or wrong? See, 2 related to 4, 2 related to 6, 3 related to 6. Then 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 6, 6. Check. Directed graph or digraph also they will tell. Now another graph you can draw. Next. Draw the diagram represented by partial alpha. Partial alpha A divides B. On the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relation is what? Partial ordering means what already I told you. So equivalence relation means what? Reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Partial means what? Anti-symmetric. Anti-symmetric means A is equal to B, I think so. First we have to frame the relation. Okay. Partial ordering A comma B. That's such that A divides B. A divides B. Now frame the relation. What relation will get A divides B means what? A set A not told you, no? Set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Always better you can start with divides. So I have to get 1 comma 1 is there. Relation, if you want, you can make relation. What will you tell me? 1, 1. Every fellow will come. 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 4. 1, 5. 1, 6. 1, 7. Okay. Then what will you get? Next is what? Tell me. Next. Sorry, people are there or not?
Sir, 1 8.
Oh, thank you very much. I see big diagram you get. Then with one story power, with you start with 2 story, what will you get? Okay, yeah. Then with 3 anyone will come. He will come or not? With 3 sir, who will come? I hope there is no errors. Now start draw. With the minimum element you can start. Partial ordering is minimum elements you can start. Actually, with 1 you can start. Okay. Sure about this. Anyway, from this set I can tell you. Start with 1. 1. 1 is linked with what? 2. Then 1 is linked with 3. Then 1 is linked with 5. Then 1 is linked with 7. 1 is linked with 8. Collapse, I think so. 1, 3, 5, 7. Oh, say 8 actually, I will write actually. Okay. Now, 1 linked with 2, 2 linked with 4. Then 1 linked with 4. Like this you can do. Joint is there, you know. Again is what? 4 linked with 8 is there. But you can satisfy this in 1, 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 8 by 4, everything satisfying. If it is not satisfying, don't do. Then 2 by 6 also there. Then 3 by 6 also there. 2 by 6, 3 by 6. So 6 by 2, 6 by 3. Then 1. Next. 4 by 8. 2 by 8 also is adding that is 2, 4. Then 2, 8. The Hasse diagram is 1 is enough. Then 2, 6, 2, 8, 2, 4, 4, 8. Then what you will draw? 1 to 6 now we can link. Okay. 1 to 8 also you can link. Properly you can draw. Then 3, 6, 2, 6, 1, 5. Okay. Correct? Now you see actually how this drawn is what? 1 is started first. Because 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7. Because with 7 nothing is there. You can leave nice. Then 2, 3. Then 2, 4. Then 4 to 8. You can draw anywhere actually, it's not it. Then 1 to 4, 1 to 8. Then 2 to 6 also there. You want you can do 2 to 6. Then 3 to 6. what is there? IO complete. No. 1, 5, everything completed. 3 to 6. 2 to 6. 2 to 8 I want to complete. 2 to 8. Check actually. Then self groups also you have to do. 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6 I want to draw. This is 3 only. Again you have to draw. 1, 6. 1, 7, 1, 8. Then 2 to 4, 2 to 8. 2 to 6. Then 4 to 8. Then oh, no, with the 2 I will check first. 2 to 4, 2 to 6, 2 to 8. Drawn. Then with the 3 if I go 3 to 6 done. Then if I go 4 means what? 4 to 8 done. 4. Everything available. This is called diagram. The next class we go over Hasse diagram. Hasse diagram is what directly 1, 2, 3, 4. There is no this much of lines. Only with one straight line I can tell. That is different actually. Diagram is from every point you have to mention. That is not required actually. Hasse diagram is more refined. That I will tell you. Are you able to understanding a relation is what here? A comma B such that A divides B. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7. Then 2, 4, 2, 8, 2, 6. With the 3 is what? 3, 6. Then with the 4, 4, 8. Then self loops also there. You have to do self loop. Like this. Like this. Anti-clockwise direction. Okay. Big diagram you can try and understand. Again, try to do yourself, then only you understand. Okay, are you able to? Am I confusing a lot? These diagrams maybe they will ask MCQ, they make you figure actually. Sometimes the MCQ means they will go, they find out actually, ask you find out. Any doubt? Sit and try yourself, then only you will realize. Stop here. I'll take attendance, wait 2 minutes and come back. 60 members. Now 60 members are there. Easy. Attendance time, everyone coming very bad, sir. Attendance, you don't come. Anyway, I will do, don't worry, but class strictly can attend. Previously, 53 members, 54 members in my device, 2 device, means 52 members. Now another 10 members are entered, 8 members. Who is that black sheep? I don't know. Okay, give that list. 569.
Present, sir.
569 first number, you know.
Yes, sir. Present.
70. 570. 71.
Present, sir.
42.
Sir, chat box.
43.
Present, sir.
44.
Present, sir.
45.
Present, sir.
76.
Present, sir.
77.
Present, sir.
78. 78. 79.
Sir, 80, sir. 580 present, sir.
Oh, sorry.
Sir, 578 present, sir.
What are you doing? Okay. 81. 81. 82.
Present, sir. 82 present.
Okay. 83. 83.
83 not in chat box.
Sir, in chat box, sir, 83.
Okay. 84. 85.
Present, sir.
86.
85 present, sir.
87. 88.
Present, sir.
89.
Present, sir.
90. 91.
Present, sir.
92.
Present, sir.
93.
Present, sir.
94.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
96.
Sir, 96 is not there.
97.
Present, sir.
98. 99.
Present.
99. Present. 600.
Present, sir.
601. 2.
It's not too present, sir.
3.
Sir, present.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
Present, sir.
6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14.
Present, sir.
15.
Present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17. 17 not there. 18 is there, okay. 19.
Present, sir.
20.
Sir, 619 present, sir.
Present, sir.
Yeah, yeah. 20.
Present, sir. 20. Present.
21.
21 present, sir.
22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
Present, sir.
26.
Yes, sir.
27.
Present, sir.
28.
Present, sir.
29. 629. 630.
Present, sir.
631. 631. 32.
Present, sir.
33. 33 is last number, huh?
Sir, 32 is last. Answer 631 in the chat box, sir.
Acha, acha. See, options are 517, 84, 590, 601, 617, 629.
Sir, 570 present, sir.
Sir, 629 present, sir.
6,
629, sir.
then 584, 590, 601, 617. Is there? Don't make options, sir. Okay, sitting home also you are not able to understand very bad.
Sir, 601 is not there, sir. in the-
Not there. Okay, thank you. 590 also not there. Huh? Then 3 persons, 84, 590, 617. Ask them.
84 also not there, sir.
584 not there. Huh? Then 590, 617. Tell them actually, ask them to attend continuously. Okay, sir. Bye, sir.